Episode what? 5?
Episode 5.
Episode 5. So today we're gonna be sanding the engine block.
Hell yeah. You can see it's already starting, so.
Yeah. So we're just gonna put it in time lapse. This video, since we don't gotta do much. No, I don't know what that is. Alright, we're back for part 17. Damn, my lungs. Alright, this is what we got so far. It's looking better. It's all loose.
Yeah, all loose. I feel like this all. Yeah, that's why I'm trying to get all these like corners, you know.
Episode 3 of Ethan's tutorials.
Alright, so you want to go ahead and get a monster drink poured all over it. Kyle will appreciate that shit. And then it should turn out like this. Then you get your power washer, pressure washer, where the hell that is. You already know what I mean. And then you fill that shit up with Monster.
You heard it here, folks.
And then this is the result that you get right here. Fucking amazing. Fucking amazing.
Dang, do you see that right there?
What?
That alien?
Damn.
Dude, it's staring right at us.
Damn, that shit burned. Whatever the hell I touched my...
Damn, you doing cocaine?
That shit good, that shit good. Dollar cocaine.
He's doing cocaine, son.
It's pure as fuck.
Ready?
Let's go, we're back with the power washer, pressure washer.
I'll be saying
It's a
that.
power washer too.
I don't know why.
Damn, that beautiful scenery with the...
Ready?
Yeah, boy.
Oh.
Yeah.
I
So in this video, all we did was sand the block, we power washed it, we dried it, then coated it with some primer. In our next video, we're going to sand the engine bay. We're going to cover that area. We're also going to sand it, power wash it, and then prime it. After that video, around part 7, that's when we're going to be getting into the rebuild for the actual block. We're going to be properly sanding it, make sure we get all the rust off. And I'm recording this because our outro that we made, it didn't record for some reason. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Share this video, click that notification bell, and stay tuned for our next video.